So yeah, let's see. I'm considering a buy right here actually, because we have an SMT on Nasdaq. So this is probably the last trade I'm taking. If I see any push, the last trade I'm taking for the day. Not the last trade I'm taking. We have a clear SMT right there. We already had a bad day. I just hope price can make it better. So I'll just aim for this fair value gap right here or this high. I don't know, man. If price wants to go in my direction today, and I hope it does. And for something little today. What? Bro, I'm closing that trade. Yo, what? Price would have taken me out. Yo, today I don't know what happens. What happened today? I don't know what's happening, but like today has just been like one of the worst days, bro. $6 loss today, bro. What? Okay, so basically, let me just show you guys what has been happening today. I would have literally caught three A plus setup trades today. Three A plus setup trades today. But I didn't take it. Why? Because I was following my trading plan. So I don't trade before 10 a.m. because 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York time is my trading window. And that's the time I trade during New York session. And I have literally seen like three A plus setups of same SMT. So the first one, this was the first one here. So basically we have an SMT, right? Or this was the first SMT actually. This was the first SMT. So look at this, right? While I was analyzing the market before New York session, we had this crazy SMT, New York, Nasdaq, and S&P. So as you can see, this crazy SMT, right? Now look at this. This is an A plus setup trade, crazy A plus setup trade. What do we have here? We have an SMT plus an inverse fair value gap. Not just that, we have another fair value gap after inversing this fair value gap. So we inverse this fair value gap one, and then we came back to retrace back into this fair value gap. This is an A plus setup trade, like literally. So imagine me taking a long trade right here as price inverses this gap. My stop loss is literally always at the candle close, at the candle before that inverse. Then I can aim these highs. When I aim these highs, the 1 to 2.8, almost a 1 to 3. And if I had taken this trade, I would have literally made $7 on this trade because it's a small account, obviously. So I'm using 0.01, and because it's a 70 point trade, that would have made me $7 today. So that's one. That's number one. Same SMT and inverse fair value gap, right? Then this was the second one. This was the second one. We have this crazy SMT right here too. This crazy long ass SMT right here. Because I don't know why, bro. Like I used the same shit today because I was seeing all this setups and I was wishing I could have the same setup on New York session. And we did have, but still I lost trades. So right here, same exact thing. We have both 1 minute inverses on Nasdaq and on S&P. Two inverse, right? So we have an inverse on S&P and an inverse on Nasdaq. As soon as you break out with a body closure, meaning that we've inversed this gap, I'm instantly taking my long position right here. Stop loss always at the candle close. That yo, literally. And then, like, bro, even if I end at this high, this would have made me a 1 to 3. And this is a 177 points. Literally would have made me $10 today. $10 today already. That means if I took these two trades, I would have been up $17 today already. Like literally. And then the third one, this was an SMT, right? Wait, I hope I'm recording this shit, man. Okay. So we have another SMT right there again. Now this is the craziest, like the craziest SMT trade, right? Now look at this. Look at this. After having this SMT, now we have inverse fair value gap, right? Let me just clear this out. Let me hide this. Okay. So we have this inverse fair value gap, which I can enter off of. One, we've had a market structure shift. Two, and then price came in and tapped into this 1 minute fair value gap. Three, so as soon as price is tapping into this fair value gap, bro, this is a clear short position right here. Stops at this high, we will still not have been stopped up. Stops at this high, and then where do you want to aim? Let's say this low. We aim at this low, 1 to 2.7. Basically another 100, another $10 win today. And even if you had aimed this low, at a 1 to 4, 170 point trade, meaning I would have made $17 again on this trade. So 17 plus 17, 34. And then after seeing all these trades, I was like, okay, I hope I have the same setup on by New York session, because at the time I trade, at the session I trade, we have this SMT right here. We have these SMTs right here, and most times the SMTs have been on the lows. So we have this low SMT push higher, low low SMT push higher. Now we have another low SMT. I was thinking of a push higher. Now this is what happened. We came inverse this 1 minute fair value gap, close as a body. Immediately I'm in this trade. My stop loss at this low, and then I'm literally just aiming this 15-minute highs, not even this highs. Even if I aim this highs, I would still have lost this trade. So I was risking $3 on this trade and I lost it. But because of commission, I ended up losing $4 on this trade. Now, you guys saw the second one. Bro, don't tell me price is literally about to start pushing, man. Like, what? Like, bro, price is literally about to start pushing up. But, well, yeah. Exactly where I wanted to take my trade. Wait, bro. So, another trade setup. We have SMTs. But I still took this trade. Why? Because we haven't fully inversed this 1 minute gap. So I was still confident in this trade. So after seeing this bullish candle right here, I instantly took my trade, as you guys saw. But then price just came, took me out with wicks, and then literally would have hit my take profit. My take profit was right here because we had this 1 minute gap. And as you can see, as soon as price tapped into that 1 minute gap, we had a little push downwards. Like, bro, 3 good setups I would have traded. I didn't take those trades because I just wanted to follow my trading plan. Now, I saw the same setup on my own trading window, and now, yo, really, really, what? Yo, there is no way. But yo, bro, bro, well, it is what it is. Like I keep saying, it is what it is. We're gonna come back again next week, Monday. I am not sure about tomorrow because I have somewhere to go to tomorrow. But bro, this is just somehow, I don't even know what to even say. But yeah, it is what it is. And I'll see you guys next week. What? I would have taken this trade. Why? Because, fuck, where the hell are you? It is still around the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. time. But I didn't freaking know. Wait. What is happening? I thought it was always -5. Now today it's -4. Maybe that's why I've been losing. Because yesterday too, because normally I switched my time zone to like my local time zone, which is Lagos. right? And normally that is from 4 to 6 actually. So it's from 4 p.m. to 4 to 5, sorry. So 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. But me not knowing that the New York time has been switched to from -5 to -4. So basically I would have taken this trade. What? I legit have screenshots. Like, bro, what? Wait, I don't know. Was I the only one who didn't know this? Yes. Look, UTC -5 was where I've been trading since. And it was on New York. Because it's New York time I'm supposed to be following. So New York was -5 before. It was literally 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. I traded, and New York was -5. But today, I don't know for how long, but it's -4 right now. So basically, I would have taken this trade by 3 p.m. my local time. I would have taken this trade because I even went deeper into this trade. And look, we don't just have a 1 minute inverse, we also have a 3 minute inverse. We have a 3 minute inverse, right? Created another fair value gap under the 3 minutes. Price tapped into the fair value gap. You're longing that trade. You're longing that trade. Like you're longing this trade. Why I will still not lose this trade is because look, as soon as we take out these highs and we still haven't taken out these highs, that is the best time to close because it's literally creating another SMT telling us that price is literally about to reverse. So this is another 155 point trade. But I know myself, maybe I might not be going for those high, like my trade might not take that long. So maybe I might just aim these highs basically. For a 1 to 1.8, that's a 93-point trade. But it is what it is till Monday. Yeah.